Hello everyone. In this video we'll see proportion. Okay, the definition is a proportion is an equality of two ratios. In previous video, as we learned ratios, right? Basically, what is ratio? Ratio is comparing two quantities, right? We are just comparing two quantities. Just like here we are writing two equal ratios. That's it. A proportion is an equality of two ratios. Suppose yesterday we discussed 2 is to 3, right? 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 by 3, right? We can write it in a fraction also. Can I write equality ratios? Yes, we can. By multiplying the number on both numerator and denominator. Just multiply any number. I am multiplying 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 2 is to 3 also be equal to 4 is to 6, right? If we simplify, it will get to simplified form to 2 is to 3 only. So basically just we are writing two equal ratios. So this is called proportion. Proportion is an equality of two ratios. That's it. 2 is to 3 is proportion to 4 is to 6. 5 is to 8 proportion to 10 is to 16. 3 is to 4 proportion to 9 is to 12. You can see here 2 is to 3, 4 is to 6, right? 5 is to 8 is proportion to 10 is to 16, means we are multiplying 2. That's it. 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16. So this is called proportion. So basically what is the general form? Here it is general form. A is to B proportion C is to D. Okay, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, right? Here as I mentioned A, B, C, D. These two middle terms B and C, the middle two terms are called means. Middle two terms are called means, and the first and last terms are called extremes. Let me write here. A is to B proportion to C is to D. These two are means. What about these two? These two are extremes. These two are means, these two are extremes. And we can check whether the given proportion is having two equal ratios or not. Check whether two ratios are in proportion. Okay, we will use cross multiplication. Okay, means if I give 2 is to 3 proportion to 4 is to 6, right? If we want to verify whether given proportion is correct or not, we have to cross multiply. Means 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 by 3, right? And 4 is to 6 can be written as 4 by 6. Cross multiply. 2 into 6, 3 into 4, which gives 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, means this given is in proportion. Both are in proportion. This ratio and this ratio both are in proportion, right? As I told before, 2 is to 3 proportion to 6 is to 9, right? As I told, these two are equivalent ratios, means 2 by 3 must be equal to 6 by 9, right? So that's why cross multiply. 2 into 9 equal to 3 into 6. Whether we are getting both answers as same. 2 9s are, which gives 18. 3 6 are, it is also 18. Means 18 is equal to 18. Then the given ratios are in proportion. Okay. See here one example, like 2 is to 3, 4 is to 6. As I multiplied, they multiplied and shown 12 is equal to 12. So hence they are in proportion. This is another example, 5 ratio 8 and 10 ratio 15. But here we are getting 75, 80. So both are not equal. So this is not in proportion. 5 by 8, which is 10 by 15. Cross multiply. 15 into 5, 8 into 10. But we are getting 75 equal to 80. 15 5s are 75. 8 10s are 80, which is not equal. 75 not equal to 80, so both are not in proportion. Okay. These are some homework questions. Please try to solve and let me know the answers in the comment section.